हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम करेंगे हमारी एक्सरसाइज 3.3। 3.3 को करने से पहले हमें कुछ फॉर्मूले याद होने चाहिए। तो पहले मैं आपको फॉर्मूले बता देती हूँ। अगर आपको याद नहीं है तो पहले आप उनको याद करेंगे तो हमारे लिए एक्सरसाइज को सोल्व करना ईजी होगा। तो आइए देखते हैं हमारे पास कौन कौन से फॉर्मूले हैं। इसमें आपके पास फर्स्ट नंबर पे है cos square x plus sin square x equal to 1. Second is secant square x minus tan square x equal to 1. Next is cosecant square x minus cot square x equal to 1. We can write cos 2n pi plus x equal to cos x, sin 2n pi plus x equal to sin x, sin minus x equal to minus sin x, cos x cos minus x equal to cos x, tan minus x equal to minus tan x, cos x plus minus y equal to cos x cos y minus plus sin x sin y. You have to remember this. If we have given plus sign, then its result between them is minus, and if there is given negative sign, so here become positive sign. Now sin x plus minus y, sin x cos y, if here is positive then here is also positive, and negative then here is negative. Sin y cos x. Next is cos pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x. Here is sin pi by 2 minus x equal to cos x. We have to remember this. This is our fourth quadrant. If pi by 2 minus x, then in first quadrant, pi by 2 plus x, then in second quadrant, pi minus x, then in second quadrant. If pi plus x, then in third quadrant. If 2 pi minus x, then in fourth quadrant. If 2 pi plus x, then in fourth quadrant. Again in first quadrant. And our trigonometric function is changed on pi by 2 and 270. And on other degree our trigonometric function will not be changed. So here we write next our formula, that is 13. We write here cos pi by 2 plus x, it becomes minus sin x. Sin pi by 2 plus x, it goes in second, and in second it is positive, and pi by 2 change our trigonometric function, so it becomes cos x. Now cos pi minus x, second quadrant negative cos. Here is sin pi minus x, in second quadrant sign is positive, and pi will not change our trigonometric function. Next is cos pi plus x, in third quadrant cos is negative. Sin pi plus x, in third quadrant sin is negative, so minus sin x. Cos 2 pi minus x, it becomes in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant cos is positive. Sin 2 pi minus x, in fourth quadrant sin is negative. Now tan x plus y, we write here two formulae, that is tan x plus minus tan y, 1 minus plus tan x tan y. If here is positive, then this is positive and this is negative, and if here is negative, then there is negative and there is positive. Now in next, cot x plus minus y, cot x cot y minus plus 1 upon cot y plus minus cot x. Here is cot. Next is cos 2x. For cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x, or we can write 1 minus 2 sin square x, or we can write 2 cos square x minus 1, or you can write 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Next is sin 2x. This is 2 sin x cos x, or you can write here 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Next is tan 2x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Next is sin 3x. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x, 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Next is tan 3x. 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Next is cos x plus cos y. This is 2 cos x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Next is cos x minus cos y. Here is minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2. Next is sin x plus sin y. This is 2 sin x plus y by 2 cos x minus y by 2. Next is sin x minus sin y. It becomes 2 sin x minus y by 2 cos x plus y by 2. Next is 2 cos x cos y. This is cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Next is 2 sin x sin y. This is cos x plus y, here is cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Next is 2 sin x cos y. Sin x plus y plus cos plus sin x minus y. Next is 2 cos x sin y. Sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. We use this formula in our exercise, so you have to remember this formula. Now next, our exercise 3.3, question number 1. First question, we have to prove that sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4 is minus 1 by 2. So we take our left hand side. Sin square pi by 6 plus cos square pi by 3 minus tan square pi by 4. We can write here sin pi by 6 30 degree प्लस cos पाई बाय 3 60 डिग्री पर आपको cos की वैल्यू बतानी है और 45 डिग्री पर आपको tan की वैल्यू बतानी है। तो आप देखेंगे कि आपके पास 30 डिग्री पे आई थी ये वैल्यू आपकी 1/2, 60 डिग्री पर cos था 1/2 और tan पर पाई बाय 4 पर था हमारी वैल्यू 1. सो हेयर इज 1/4 प्लस 1/4 माइनस 1. इट बिकम्स 2/4 माइनस 1. So we get 1/2 minus 1 and it gives us minus half. This is our right hand side. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Next is solution number 2. We have to prove this one. So left hand side 2 sin square pi by 6 plus cosecant square 7 pi by 6 cos square pi by 3. Here is 2 sin pi by 6 its square plus cosecant 7 pi by 6 its square, and this is our cos pi by 3 its square. We write here these values. Sin 30 degree 1/2 square plus cosecant we can write here cosecant pi plus pi by 6 its square, cos 60 degree value is 1/2. Here is 2 into 1/4 plus pi plus pi by 6. It goes in third quadrant. In third quadrant our cosecant is negative. So cosecant minus cosecant pi by 6. Here is 1/4 and the value of cosecant pi by 6, that is we have at pi by 6 cosecant 30 degree, that is 2. So minus 2 square into 1/4. So we get here 1/2 plus 4 into 1/4. 1/2 plus 1. So this is 3/2. This is our right hand side. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Next is solution of question number 3rd. Left hand side is cot square pi by 6 plus cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square pi by 6. We write here cot pi by 6 its square plus cosecant pi minus pi by 6 plus 3 tan pi by 6 its square. At cot pi by 6, root 3. Cosecant pi minus pi by 6 goes in our second quadrant, pi minus theta. In second quadrant, cosecant is positive. So here is cosecant pi by 6 plus 3, and this is our 1 by root 3 square. 3 plus 2 plus 3 into 1 by 3, 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. So this is our right hand side. Left hand side equal to our right hand side. Next is solution of question number 4. Left hand side 2 sin square 3 pi by 4 plus 2 cos square pi by 4 plus 2 secant square pi by 3. Now 2 sin 3 pi by 4 square plus 2 cos pi by 4 square plus 2 secant pi by 3 square. Here we can write sin pi minus pi by 4. It goes in our second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive. 2 1 by root 2 square plus 2 2 square. So here we get 2 sin pi by 4 its square plus 2 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 4. Here is 2 into 1 by root 2 square plus 1 plus 8. Here is 2 into 1 by 2 plus 9. Here is 1 plus 9, that is 10. So this is our right hand side. Left hand side equal to our right hand side. Now next is question number 5, sin 75 degree. So here we can write sin 45 degree plus 30 degree. We use our formula sin A plus B, that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So we write here sin 45 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 45 degree. So here we can write sin 45 1 by root 2, 30 is root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 45 1 by root 2. Here is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Taking LCM we get root 3 by plus 1 by 2 root 2. This is our answer. Next is find the value of tan 15 degree. We can write here tan 45 degree minus 30 degree, and this is the formula we use, tan A minus B. So tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. Here we write tan 45 degree plus tan minus 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 tan 30 degree. So here we put our values, that is 1 minus 1 by root 3, 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3. After taking LCM we get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 divide by root 3 plus 1 by root 3. After cancelling we get root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 plus 1. Here you can write tan 45 degree is 1 and tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Or we can solve further, that is root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. It gives us 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1 square upon 3 minus 1. We can write here 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon 2. So 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So our answer is 2 minus root 3. This is our answer. Now next is question number 6. Solution. Cos pi by 4 minus x. This we take our left hand side because we have to prove this. Cos pi by 4 minus x, cos pi by 4 minus y minus sin pi by 4 minus x sin pi by 4 minus y. Let pi by 4 minus x equal to a and pi by 4 minus y equal to b. So this is our cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is our formula of cos a plus b. So we can write here cos a is pi by 4 minus x, b is pi by 4 minus y. This is cos pi by 2 minus x plus y. And we know that pi by 2 minus x is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric function is positive, and at pi by 2 trigonometric function is change. Cos change into sin. Sin x plus y. This is our answer. Next is this is equal to right hand side. Next is question number 7. Solution of question number 7. Left hand side tan pi by 4 plus x upon tan pi by 4 minus x. We open its formula, that is tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Divide by tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 tan x equal to 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. We know that tan pi by 4 is 1 and tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Now we get 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x its square. This is our right hand side. Next is in next question. Left hand side is cos pi plus x cos minus x, cos pi minus x cos pi by 2 plus x. here pi plus x is in our third quadrant. In third quadrant cos is negative. So we can write here minus cos x, and cos minus x is cos x, upon cos pi minus x is in second quadrant. In second quadrant cos is negative, and cos pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x is also in second quadrant, but on pi by 2 our trigonometric function is changed, cos into sine. So sine x negative, because cos is negative in second quadrant. So negative sign is there, and pi by 2 change our trigonometric function, that is sine. So we get here minus cos x, cos square x upon here we write, this is our mistake here, there is some mistake. This is our sine, and this is also we erase sine pi minus x. In second quadrant sine pi minus x is positive, sine x. So we get here minus sine square x. It becomes our cos square x upon sine square x. This is our cot square x. So we get here right hand side. Next is cos left hand side 3 pi by 2 plus x, cos 2 pi plus x, cot 3 pi by 2 minus x, plus cot 2 pi plus x. This is our fourth quadrant, pi by 2 minus x, pi by 2 plus x, or pi minus x. Here is pi plus x, 2 pi minus x, here is 2 pi plus x. Now we will do here cos 3 pi by 2. Cos 3 pi by 2, at 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2 our trigonometric function is changed. So cos change in sine, sine x. 3 pi by 2 is in our fourth quadrant. Here you can write 3 pi by 2 plus x, and here you can write 3 pi by 2 minus x. So this is sin x. Here you can write cos 2 pi function is not changed, plus gives us in say first quadrant. In first quadrant all the trigonometric function is positive, so cos x. Cot 3 pi by 2, at 3 pi by 2 cot change in our tan, and cot is positive in third quadrant, so sine is positive and angle is x. Cot 2 pi plus x, cot 2 pi angle will not change, our function is not changed, so cot, and plus x means it goes in first quadrant. In first quadrant all the trigonometric function is positive, so this is our cot x. Now sin x cos x, we write here tan x plus 1 plus tan x. It gives us sin x cos x tan square x plus 1 upon tan x. We write here tan square x plus 1 is equal to secant square x. This is our formula. So sin x cos x secant square x upon tan x. We can write here sin x cos x, secant square x is cos square x, and tan x is sin x upon cos x. So this cos is cancelled sine is cancelled to this one and cos will cancel to this one. So it gives us 1. This is our right hand side. Next is question number 10. Solution of question number 10, that is our left hand side is sine n plus 1 into x sine n plus 2 into x plus cos n plus 1 into x cos n plus 2 into x. Here we put n plus 1 into x as a, n plus 2 into x equal to b. So sine a sine b plus cos a cos b. Our formula is cos a minus b. You can write here cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Here a and b is cos nx plus n minus nx minus में 2x. So we write here nx is cancelled, cos minus x. This is our x. It becomes cos x. This is our right hand side. Next is question number 11. In question number 11, left hand side is cos 3 pi by 4 f plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Let us consider, let 3 pi by 4 plus x equal to theta and 3 pi by 4 minus x equal to phi. So we can write here cos theta minus cos phi. Here we use our formula, that is minus 2 sin theta plus phi by 2 sin theta minus phi by 2. Here we put our theta and phi. We get minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 plus x plus 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. And here is sin 3 pi by 4 plus x 3 pi by 4 minus x, in between there is minus sign, divided by 2. So we get here minus 2 sin 3 pi by 2 and by 2. Here is sin 2x upon 2. We get here minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 sin x. Here we can write minus 2 sin pi minus pi by 4 sin x. We know that pi minus pi by 4 goes in our second quadrant. In second quadrant, sign is positive and function will not be changed. So minus 2 sin pi by 4 sin x minus 2 1 by root 2 sin x. Here is minus root 2 sin x. This is our right hand side. This is our question number 11. Our next question, our further question we will see in our next video. Till then, thank you.